Former Masvingo Central Legislator Jefferson Chitando has urged Zimbabweans to resist what he described as state-sponsored exploitation following the enforcement of a new law compelling motorists to pay a Zimbabwe Broadcasting Corporation ZBC radio license fee before renewing vehicle insurance or obtaining a Zinara license disc. Sanamira mashoko ari kuonekwa panapa aiwa kuti the ZBC radio license panguva ino iri kufesa resistance zvakanyanya ndobva subscribe wala ikatomba bell icon. Tipinda the former MP panapa munozvizere mubudanyo kwamuchinzi Chitando, who served under the banner for the Movement for Democratic Change MDC, said the newly amended law was unjust and should be actively challenged by citizens. In courts, Zimbabweans must resist this forced payment. It is immoral and unconstitutional to compel people to bankroll a broadcaster that serves the ruling elite while ignoring the voices of the people, he said in a statement last week. The Broadcasting Services Amendment Act, Chapter 1206, Number 2 of 2025, which took effect this week, has already caused widespread outrage and confusion. Under the new law, a valid ZBC radio license is now a mandatory requirement for accessing critical vehicle-related services. The Zimbabwe National Road Administration Zinara confirmed its compliance with the directive stating Zinara has now fully implemented the requirement in line with the Broadcasting Services Act, but across the country, public anger is mounting. Citizens accuse Mnangagwa-led government of using coercion to sustain the state broadcaster that many see as partisan, out of touch, and lacking public trust. As the backlash intensifies, analysts say the law could become a key flashpoint in the widening rift between Mnangagwa regime and the increasingly delusioned citizenry. Domashko arikubuda panguva ine chinokonzi aiwa mutungamiri wenyika regime panguva ino it is facing resistance after panguva ino vaimplementa this ZBC radio license thing. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, musana subscribe or like, shut on the bell icon.